Smooth jazz will be deployed in 3, 2, 1.
We wanted to see if Chapstick products advertising SPF protection actually worked better at protection from UV rays than regular chapstick.
We started our experiment by creating a slurry of yeast and water. We scraped some yeast cells from a plate they were growing on and mixed them in a tube with 10 milliliters of water. We extracted 1 milliliter of water and spread it in a new petri dish with a media that allowed yeast to grow. There were 4 iterations of the experiment, so this step was repeated 4 times. Our negative control was wrapped in foil to block all sunlight. The 2 test dishes were covered with a generous portion of chapstick on the top and sides. Each dish had a different chapstick. One was SPF 15, the other had no SPF properties. Our positive control had no extra sun protection. Its purpose was to see what happened to yeast fully exposed to UV light. The 4 dishes were left outside for 26 minutes. All dishes were then wrapped in tin foil and left in the incubator overnight. We observed results the next day.
The effectiveness of the chapstick would be evaluated by how much yeast had grown. Yeast is meant to die if exposed to UV light. Both test groups had a similar amount of yeast. They both resembled the negative control more than the positive control.
The claim made by ChapBlock was that it would simply protect your lips. The results prove that this is true, but regular chapstick will protect you just as well. When choosing chapstick, it now comes down to your personal preference, but we recommend cherry chapstick.